Okay, here I am underneath the living room. This is our post and beam setup. I got a beam across the middle that has a huge gap. I have a piece of strapping that I'm going to use to fill that gap. Oh, I got a brick here I can use. That's kind of nice. And a whole bunch of nails sticking out, so I got to be careful not to get up and nail my back. Have to stay low. I'm going to try to fill some more of these gaps so we have less mice and stuff coming in. This isn't the way I would do it. It's the way it is, and I'm certainly not going to rip it all out again. Someday when this side of the house falls down, you can start all over and do it right, but it'll probably last another 10, 15 years while we're here. And anybody that bought this house after us will probably just tear it down. I'm trying to put the plastic underneath to keep water from the ground going up, but there's a big mound right there of sand, and the only way I can reach it to get to it is maybe with my piece of strapping that's going to eventually go up here. So here I go. So in summary, we put a piece of metal under the wood and on top of the cement. In summary, I'm exhausted, and we haven't had lunch yet, and it's like 3-ish. I don't even know. There's a piece of wood there for that one. That's really not necessary. It's just nice. That seems to be holding its own. This is all put in, and as best as I could do, there's plastic under the back part. And then in the living room, Johnny got all the rug out. We tested those 2 air conditioners. They both work. That's a nice desk, my style. And what we're thinking is, hi Johnny.
Hey.
What we're thinking is clean that side up real good and just leave it like it is, paint it white probably. And then for the other 3 walls, boom, boom, boom. I don't even know if this is working.